Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to do question number 2 from exercise 3.1. Okay, so children, today you have to write in your copy. Alright, whatever the sums I am going to do, you will be writing in the copy. So this is question number 2. Arrange the numbers in columns and subtract. Okay, so let me see how many sums we can do today. So whatever I am writing, you have to do it. Okay, so you can start doing with me. So that is first is number A. Okay, number A, what is the question? 66 minus 7. This is the question. So what is told here? We have to arrange the numbers in columns and subtract. This is same as how we have done the addition. We will arrange it in columns. So we are making the column first. Okay children, you make the columns neatly in the square line book. Okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, now this is the place for you to write the carry. Here you will write 66, here you will write minus 7, and here it will be your final answer. Okay, so here you will put the symbol of minus. So 66, right children? 66 minus how much? Minus 7. So children, you cannot minus 7 from 6, right? As 6 is smaller than 7. So we will do regrouping. Okay, so this 6 will become how much? 6 will become 5, and this 6 will become 16. I hope there is no doubt in this. So now you give me the answer that 16 minus 7 is how much. Okay, you 1 minute time I give you, just think and tell me. Yes, 16 minus 7 is 9, isn't it? So we write here 9. Okay children, so now which is the now here it is how much? Before it was 6, after regrouping it became 5, isn't it? So now the answer is 59. Okay, this question you are going to write in the in your copy. Okay, so this was question number A. Okay children, if you need time for writing, you may pause the video and write it. Okay, I am rubbing it. Now we are going to do number B. Okay, question number B. What is question? Let me see. What is the question number B? You can see in your book, children. Yeah, number B is 63 minus 37. Okay, let's do number B. Okay, number B is 63 minus 37. So what is the first step? First step is we have to write all the numbers. We have to write these numbers in a column. Okay, you don't write more than 3 sums in one row. Okay, otherwise your book will be looking very dirty. Okay, 3 sums A, B and C you can do in one line, and if we are doing more sums, then you have to go to the down okay, down of your page. Alright, don't write more than 3 addition or subtraction in one line. Okay, in the same lines. So this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, here this is for carry, this is for writing 63, this is for writing 37, and this is for your minus sign. Okay, this is the minus sign. So what is that? 63 minus 37. Children, have you noticed that in number A you subtracted a single digit number from a 2-digit number, isn't it? Now number B is you are subtracting double-digit number from a double-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number subtracting 2, because here in tens place also both the numbers are there, and in ones place also both the numbers are there. Okay, so let us start. Okay children, so from 3 it is not possible, so let us make it 13. And if you are making it 13, this 6 will become how much? 6 will become 5 when you regroup it, isn't it? Now 13 minus 3, oh sorry, not 3, 13 minus 7 will be how much? Yes, 13 minus 7 will be, yes, it is 6. Very good children. Now 5 minus 3 will be how much? 5 minus 3 will be 2. See children, you should write these things in the column only, okay? It should not come out like this, okay? So you write it neatly. Okay, now today, and so far we have done number A and B. So now I am going to rub this one, okay? For writing you pause the video and do, okay? Now we are going to do number E. So whatever I am doing, only those sums needed to write in the copy. Okay, we are not going to write all the sums in the copy. 70 minus 16. See, that means this sum is, you are subtracting from a 0, isn't it? 0 on the top and 6. So how we will do? We have already learned all these things, but still it's fun for us to learn more, isn't it? Here will be the answer. Here you will write 16. Here you will write the minus sign. Here you will write 70. Here you will write the carry, and here you will write the ones and tens. Okay, ones, tens. Column should be straight. Okay, ones and tens. Now here we are writing 70, and the next line we are writing 16. Alright children, now 70 is from 0 you can't minus, isn't it? So this 0 will become how much? It will become 10 when we regroup it, and this 7 is going to become 6. Okay children, now 10 minus 6 is how much? 10 minus 6 will be, yes, 4 it is. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 54. Okay children, I hope you are understanding. So today we have done A, B, then number E, then now we will be doing number H. Okay, number H. So let me rub it now. Erase all. Now number H. So what is the question? Number H? 62 minus 28. Okay children, you have to write it down in your copy. Now let us make the columns. Okay, these are the columns. Now how many rows we have to make? We have to make this is not correct. Number H, once more I am writing 62 minus 28. So let's make the columns once again. Okay, so this is it. Here I am writing ones and tens. Here for carry, this one to write 62, this one to write 28, and this one to write your final answer. Okay. Now here we will put the symbol of minus. So 62 we will be writing here, children. 62 minus 28. Okay. Now 2 minus 8 is not possible. So let us make it how much? 12. Okay. Now here it will become 5 and cross it. Okay. Cut it like this. Otherwise you will again do minus from 6. Okay. 12 minus. Now 12 minus 8 is how much? Yes, it is very much 4. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, children. I hope you understood what we are doing and how we are doing. So today we have done only 4 subtraction sums, and today I am going to stop here, children. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Again tomorrow we will continue with the same questions up to x, from a to x. That means 25 questions are there. So we have to do more sums from here. Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much.